explain this lab. It's a very easy lab. First of all, we try to understand the topology. Topology is a hierarchical topology which is called ECNM model. It's Enterprise Composite Network Model. This is a switching model. No routing requirement is here, only inter-VLAN routing by using layer 3 switch and router is a basic requirement. Here's ISP area. This is just a connectivity and showing that we are connected with ISP with redundant links. So we have two links towards ISP from each router. There are two branches like Dubai and Fujairah. We have further our two distribution links for Dubai branch and two distribution switch for Fujairah branch, and yes, we can divide it further, and we have two access links for two access switches for Dubai and two access for Fujairah. Okay, in the passwords are Cisco here. Let me show you the VLANs. Here are VLANs, 3 VLANs, finance, marketing and sales, and 3 systems are in 3 VLANs. So similarly we have 3 VLANs here, finance, marketing and sales, because we have a same branch, a separate switch. And let me show you the VLANs here. Cisco's password. Show VLAN is a command. You can see the VLANs. Prototyping, design and manufacturing. Same on the other switch. So our first task to assign the DHCP to access the DHCP address from this switch. So we configure the DHCP here. See the DHCP. These are the pool, DHCP pool. This one is finance, and this is for sales. Okay, we have default router 3.100. Okay, so after defining the pool, the system cannot get the IP address from the switch unless we have a VLAN interface defined for each. Because if we assign the IP address to the VLANs, then the system will access the pool. So for this VLAN 3, and we assign the 3.1 from this pool because the pool is defined here. So 3.100 is a IP address for the router or switch which is used for inter-VLAN routing. So this gateway will be for inter-VLAN routing device, and this is a VLAN IP address of this switch. This is for VLAN 6, this is for VLAN 8. So after doing this, the system will get the IP address from switch. Okay, so the interconnected links of switches are made trunk. So this is EtherChannel between the two switches. You can see, verify the both things. Show EtherChannel. Here's the EtherChannel which is LSCP. Show EtherChannel port channel. You can see the 3 and 4 are working as EtherChannel. And if we put the command show interface trunk, here you can see there are two type of trunks. The trunks 1, 2 which are connected to the switches, and port channel 1 which I have shown you that this is a EtherChannel link. So EtherChannel is bundled as a port channel 1 and we made it for the trunk. Interface port channel 1, switch port mode trunk. So this link which is EtherChannel link is also working as a trunk link, and all interconnected switches are working as a trunk. So, and this switch is also performing inter-VLAN routing. addresses of IP address of a switch which was defined as a gateways 3.100, 6.100 and 8.100, and we put an extra command which is IP routing to enable the routing on a switch. This one is an extra command, and all basic security on a switch you can see here, which is port security, MAC address, sticky, spanning tree, port fast, spanning tree, BPTU guard enable. So these are related to the security. MAC address, this MAC address will be sticky here, and sticky means the MAC address will be learned by the switch and will be sticky automatically. If you change the system, this port will be shut down. And port fast means the port will immediately go to the immediately go to the forwarding stage. It will not take more than 50 seconds. Spanning tree BPU guard means no person will place a switch here to make this link run. So this is a security purpose. All other settings are similar on this topology. Here just change that we made this router as an inter-VLAN routing gateway. Show running configuration. You can see that the interfaces that we defined as a sub interfaces, gigabit 0x0 is defined as a sub interface .4.7.10, and we did encapsulation, and after that we made this device as a gateway. So rest of configuration are same on this. So these links are practically not working. These are just to show, but the IP addresses are assigned here. So this topology is working, 100% working. It will perform the IP inter-VLAN routing. Definitely when you on the topology, you must check that the IP addresses are properly taken by the DHCP, and after losing 1 or 2 packet or 3 packet, it might be, but this will work because this is running topology. I have checked each and everything is working. You can ping the gateway. Here is a gateway, ping 192.168.3.100. So if you are able to ping the gateway, because when we start the topology it will take time. Do we check what's happening? Okay, it's not getting the DHCP IP address. So I will click on DHCP again and again. Yes, it's working now. Now you can ping the gateway. Might be you will face this problem, but this is not a problem. When the topology will be stable, it will work. So just see that these both systems are getting the IP. So after sending 1 or 2 packets, it will. So this topology is working. I didn't make any change, but it will take some time to work here. This will be working. Okay. Similarly, all the system will work. Maybe some systems are not getting the IP address right time. Maybe some yeah, it's working now. So that